Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. My name is Chanchal and I hope you all are doing very well. So today I want to share about a book. It's a poetry book and I read this book this week only. It's called Blush. It's a poetry book written by Shefali Dang. So Shefali Dang is a Toronto-based poet basically and I reviewed this book, I read this book, and I absolutely love this poetry book because it really makes you feel something. Poetry is not, um, I personally feel that poetry is not worthy unless it makes you feel something. So let's just review this book. First of all, just see its cover. It's so beautiful. The front cover and the back cover, the side, the whole thing is so pretty. I mean, these little yellow roses are here, outlined in yellow, and this background with pink and white smudge. It totally transforms you into like a world of dreams, a dreamy world. It's so ethereal. It would the cover only itself will make you want to grab this and read it. Even if it's sitting on your shelf, you would love to like pick it up and see what's there in this book. And also, I really liked how at the back it's written, perhaps softness is what we need. And which is so true. I really love this cover, first of all. Now let's open the book and see what's inside. So as you'll open, you'll see these beautiful prints, fonts, this beautiful formatting. There are such poems, and all the poems are written in small caps, which I personally love this format because I myself use small caps in my own poems. I don't really like starting the poems with capital letters. Sometimes I do start with capital letters also. But small letters, small caps, absolutely love it. And that's what I loved about Shefali's writing also. It's not very complicated, it's simple, it makes you feel relatable to the text. And also, I love the illustrations also. Like, for example, see this poetry. There are little illustrations on here and there on some spaces, on some pages, and there is also some little space left, a healthy amount of space, so it makes you think when you read. For example, this is the flower here, so this is all very pretty. I loved it. Now let's move on to poems. So poems are also too beautiful. Mostly there are love poems. There are poems on life, poems on thoughts, what goes in your mind, poems from everyday normal affairs. So those poems are also there. And I would definitely recommend you this book if you're a poetry lover, if you want to read something fresh. So go pick up this book. You're gonna love it. And thank you for listening. Bye bye.